So today we are looking at what is in your blood. Here is a model of blood. It's got loads of different stuff in it, all mixed up, and we're going to show you how to make it. So what you will need is some ethanol, some red paint, test tube rack if you have them, and some vegetable oil, cooking oil. So we can start off. As you can see from this one, we've already put in a few bits. We're going to put in some red paint into the water here. Just that's going to make up the erythrocytes, or the red blood cells. Above that you've got a small layer of ethanol, which is going to represent the white blood cells. And then you've got the fat layer, which in this example is going to be your plasma. So hopefully you can see the separate layers quite distinctively there. Then what we're going to do is shake it all up, and then leave it to settle. It settles out. You could time lapse this if you want, and you should be able to see the distinct separate layers that is in your blood. So again, we've got red blood cells that carry oxygen around. They are adapted by having an increased surface area and no nucleus. They are your erythrocytes. Then we have platelets that form a shield. If there's a puncture or pierce in the skin, they sort of form the scab. That's the platelets. They're fragments of cells that form a physical structure, a shield. Then we've got lymphocytes, white blood cells. You've got lymphocytes that create antibodies and fight off pathogens. And then you've also got phagocytes that consume and digest other pathogens that should not be around. So they form the middle part of your model, and they are your immune system white blood cells. Last but not least, you've got the plasma, that top layer, and that is where dissolved minerals and glucose exist for delivery.